As per the specialized examination of Axie endlessness costs expected in 2023, the base cost of Axie will be around $6.15. The most extreme value that the Axie can reach is $18.70. Based on our Axie vastness cost expectation 2025, the cost of Axie token is anticipated to rise and reach $34 toward the finish of 2025. Axie coin cost expectation 2030. Axie endlessness cost for 2030, as per our conjecture, will be in a reach between $65 to $90, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $77. Cryptographic forms of money have step-by-step saturated the standard awareness and built up some decent forward movement. Be that as it may, a large number of them neglect to endure for the long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave Axie's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority yearn, for no particular reason, about Axie endlessness universe. Play-to-acquire games have become very well known throughout recent years. Axie limitlessness is one of the most mind-blowing P2E gaming universe spinning around Pokemon-esque animals known as Axie. It empowers players to gather and mint NFTs. To play Axie vastness, players need to have the stage's local digital money, Axie endlessness shards. Axie was sent off in Nov 2020, and players can purchase, exchange, and procure Axie tokens by playing the game. What is Axie limitlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie boundlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are limitless approaches to procuring Axie. Yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie endlessness. Axie limitlessness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing cryptographic money. Players can procure the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired enormous notoriety around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the Axie environment and ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and constructs a feel of areas of strength for cutting the guide to a feasible stage. Clients can possess the local Axie endlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a consistently extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie vastness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past lines and the impediments of simply the money area, intended to address different bottlenecks in finance. Axie endlessness is set to make lives more enabled and speedy. In an exceptional manner, the Axie endlessness convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend agents. Axie completely centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and immaculate, subsequently legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. Axie limitlessness specialized examination. With a market cap of $1,094,770,526 and an exchanging volume of $68,245,862, Axie limitlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a gigantic recuperation. The Axie limitlessness cost weights around $9.80, with an unequaled high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie vastness has an ongoing circling supply of 111,752,500 Axie, and the pioneers behind Axie boundlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie limitlessness has a great deal of vows to view for its fans according to their specialized investigation. As per specialized investigation, Axie tokens have been exchanging very negatively. In the wake of stirring things up around town, the token remedied greatly and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Nonetheless, the future cost of Axie vastness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie boundlessness still the best coin to purchase in 2023? Axie limitlessness universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital money market. The market was incredibly unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally negative. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their property. Yet for new financial backers, it is a hazardous opportunity to enter the market. In any case, since the cost is supposed to rise, dealers who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie limitlessness shards. Instability is the greatest survivor of the crypto market. It goes with speculation choices and forecasts the most difficult. In any case, our unprejudiced crypto estimate will make the cycle more straightforward for you. Will the Axie limitlessness cost go up? Peruse our Axie limitlessness value expectation to know the eventual fate of the Axe token. As per Wallet Financial Backers Axe cost forecast, it is a terrible long-haul venture as the cost in the following year might drop to 34 cents. Though, as indicated by our Axie boundlessness conjecture, the Axe cost could start an upturn and cross $19 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise speculation. As indicated by Gov Capital, Axie limitlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie endlessness might skyrocket to $556.90, making it a wise venture by 2027. While the value expectations investigation recommends that the cost of Axie vastness might reach $239.81 by 2030. Axie vastness value expectation 2023. Our Axie vastness cost forecast proposes that the symbolics cost could record a fair recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie endlessness cost is estimated to have a greatest worth of $18.70, while the typical cost might be around $12. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.15. Axie vastness coin value expectation 2024. According to our Axie vastness cost expectation, the Axe coin will precede the upturn as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $28.85. While the base cost might be $15.69. Simultaneously, the Axe token could have a typical cost around $23. It is normal that the Axe financial backers might acquire fair benefits in the year. Axie vastness value expectation 2025. Axie vastness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $30.20. While the base and most extreme Axie boundlessness cost may be $25.50 and $34.05 individually. In light of our Axie limitlessness coin cost expectation 2025, Axe value expectation 2026. According to the Axie boundlessness figure, the Axe coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $42.15, with a base cost of $33.43. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $37.85. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie boundlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be enormous. Axie vastness crypto value expectation 2027. In view of the specialized examination and Axie limitlessness forecast, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $46.30, while the base and most extreme costs of Axe are expected to be $40.50 and $51.13. Axe coin value forecast 2028. As indicated by our Axie vastness forecast, the greatest worth is expected to be $63.10, while the potential low might be around $49.71. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $57 all year long. Axie vastness coin forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the expected high of the coin might have reached $74.15, according to our Axie vastness crypto cost expectation. Taking a gander at the